The Usmle Step 1 exam is a critical milestone in the medical education journey. It's a comprehensive exam that covers basic medical sciences, including anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, and more. Many medical students spend months or even years preparing for this exam, as it's a key factor in residency program selection. Scoring high on the Step 1 exam can open doors to prestigious programs and opportunities. But it's not just about the score. The knowledge gained while preparing for the exam is invaluable and will serve as a foundation for a career in medicine. Preparing for the Usmle Step 1 requires dedication, discipline, and hard work. But with the right resources and support, anyone can succeed and achieve their dream of becoming a physician. So, if you're preparing for the Usmle Step 1, keep pushing forward and remember that the journey is just as important as the destination.